On the theme of looking into the future and, you know, how we have to fight for not just the next couple of years, but, you know, for further in the future. The next song is called 500 Years. Peter Klein wrote it, and he was inspired by a story of a church that was built in England, I think in the 1500s. And when they built the church, they had this beautiful wooden beam supporting the roof. And the people who built it very wisely planted a tree in the churchyard, thinking in the future that one day that tree may be needed to replace that beam. So for thinking in the future, 500 years.
And the end of the story is that 500 years later there was a fire and the church burnt, and they replaced the roof using the oak tree they planted.
But did they replant it? Did they replant it?
No, then Wayne moved in.
Oh, you gotta think 500 years from now. Plant the tree today, put it in the ground. You gotta water, nurture, watch it grow. Be gentle with the earth, 'cause we all know.
Hey, hey, 500 years from now, make a plan today and take it to town. We want the rivers to flow, the trees to be tall. You gotta think big and not too small.
We want the water to sparkle, fish to swim. You know, birds to fly high, it isn't a sin. The trees to be tall, the forest to grow. You gotta think big and let it flow. You gotta think 500 years from now.
Plant a
tree today, put it in the ground. Water, nurture, watch it grow. Be gentle with the earth, 'cause we all know
that it's a great 500 years from now.
Great grand 500 years from now.
It's a great 500 years from now.
Great grand 500 years from now.
500 years from now. 500 years from now. 500 years from now.
Yeah! You know, I heard a politician just the other day. He said, we'll plan for 3 years, and that should be okay. We'll dig a huge hole in the ground and see how much uranium can be found. We'll turn the sky purple, make the earth explode. Lots of money in the bank, yeah, that's the way to go. 'Cause all I really care about is my next election plan. 500 years, I just don't understand.
You gotta think
500 years from now. Hey, put it in the ground. Water, nurture, watch it grow. Be gentle with the earth, 'cause we all know
that it's a great 500 years from now.
Great grand 500 years from now.
It's a great 500 years from now.
Great grand 500
years from now.
500 years from now.
500 years from now.
500 years from now.
500 years from now.
Starts today.
500 years starts.